So, welcome everybody, welcome to the Alferdize. I'm Ankushama, and this is our 14th video. And today I was thinking to tell you more about the packages and how to make your own packages and etc. But before that, I thought let's just teach you about the classes in Python, and so you will get better understanding of how to use packages and make them, and how to make the classes and use them in the packages also. So let's just get started with the classes in Python. So for the first word which is going to be using is the class, and we just get name it as a student, and def shelf. The shelf is a keyword which is referred to give it a name to assign a specific value belonging to the class, roll number, and so these are the three values which we are given. So self dot name equals to name, self dot roll number equals to roll number, and self dot location equals to location. This is basically like a parameterized constructor. This acts as a constructor in Python, so it is very important to give a specific values to it. If you don't assign any values to this section, then it will work as a default constructor, so it will not going to, we can say, initialize any values. So this is used to initialize an class. Def print, so we are going to just print the specific values. Display name, since all the programmers are very lazy person, so I'm also a very lazy person and used to copy a lot of the course, so you can see it here also. And oh my gosh, so let's just name it, save it as a in desktop, mm, using what's the name, stud. So I'm going to make us to s1 equals to student equals to, and we can name it as abc, roll number 1, and location Pune. That's it, and we are going to display it s1 dot display. So wait for a second, I just quit and so as you can see this is our error. So this is just because I have not just converted into a string format and nothing else than that, and it's an integer, so we cannot assign it. So that's it, we are done with it. This is a simple class. So if you want to create an just I don't want to pass it here. I want this to be empty. It's all to be empty. So just mm, roll number value for 0 and location also. Just raising empty and want to accept a name by ourselves. So this is accept and I'm going to pass it as self. Input, enter the name of student. That's it. Self dot roll number is equal to input, enter the roll number. Basically we need to convert it into the integer first. Location. So that's it. We have done it. So this will accept the users and just one dot accept. So this is it. Okay. Enter the name of a student. So I'm writing the name Michael. Roll number 3 and location Georgia. So Michael, some spelling mistake. So that can be done. So here is the and that's it for the beginning of classes, and tomorrow we are going to see about the inheritance in classes and future further there are more examples also. So that's it for today, and if you have liked this video then give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, and then subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get the latest notification whenever I upload the new videos, and I keep on making videos on Python. Thank you and bye.